Welcome class 6. Today we move on with simplifying fractions. So from exercise 14E, question number 7. A man spends 3 by 8 of his money and still has rupees 720 left with him. How much money did he have at first? So let's say that the man had rupees X at first. He spends 3 by 8 of his money. So 3 by 8 of his money means 3 by 8 of X, and that is equal to 3x by 8. So after spending that much amount of money, the money left with him will be equal to the money he had at first minus his uh, expenditure, that is the money he spent. So we subtract it. So 8 is the LCM, then we get 8x minus 3x, which is equal to 5x by 8. Now this is the amount of money left with him. Now in the question, the money left with him is rupees 720. So this 720 and this 5x by 8 are supposed to be equal. So when you equate it, we'll form the equation where we have to get the value of x. So x, in order to solve and get the value of x, we will take this 8 in the right hand side and we'll multiply with 720. Okay, and this 5 comes to the denominator on the right hand side. That means 720 will be divided by 5 and we will be multiplied with 8. So when you cancel this 720 with 5, it will cancel 144 times into 8 and 1 in the denominator after cancelling 5. So 144 into 8 is 1152, that is 1152 is the amount of money that he had at first, and that is the required answer. Next is question number 11. In a particular month, a man earns rupees 7,200. Out of this income, he spends 3 by 10 on food, 1/4 on house rent, 1/10 on insurance, and 2 by 25 on holidays. How much did he save in that month? So here his earning, that is the income, is rupees 7,200. His expense on food is 3 by 10 on food, that is 3 by 10 of the total income. So 3 by 10 of 7,200 or 7,200, you can cancel this 0 and 0, that will be 720 into 3, which gives us rupees 2160, that is rupees 2,160. That is the expense on food. Now the expense on house rent is given as 1/4 of the income. That will be equal to 1/4 of 7,200. 4 will cancel it. 4 cancels 72 18 times and double 0. So 1,800. Similarly, expense on insurance is 1 by 10 of 7,200, where 0 will cancel. You'll get 720. Now expense on holidays similarly is 2 by 25 of 7,200, and when you calculate, you'll get 576. So his total expenses, if you see from here, it is 2160, 1800, 720 and 576. So when you add the total expenses, all these, then you'll get it is equal to 5,256. So his savings will be his income minus his expenditure, his expenses. So when you subtract, you'll get 1,944, and that is the required answer.